Monday morning fabrics, yay! And they're all today $19.99, and we have some beautiful fabrics. Let me start with this one. This is a black and white. Well, it's kind of a black and cream, and it's a woven. Be beautiful for a jacket, dress, skirt. It's got like ropes, twisted yarns on top. They're black and cream, the same as the background, and they're twisted and laid on top of the fabric. And they're just really, really beautiful. It's 100% cotton. All of it is 100% cotton. Just a really pretty textured fabric. Beautiful. $19.99. What a ridiculous price. This is I love this. Just a really basic black boucle Chanel type fabric. This is a designer that clearly we can't tell you the name, but anyway, just a really pretty black. This is a cotton poly. I've actually pulled it apart. The Lurex is the poly. The base is cotton. So again, very beautiful fabric. Great dress, skirt, jacket. Just a great basic. Love this. This is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction. Good stretch. Good recovery. Just a really great fabric. Again, 100% cotton, $19.99. Love the black and milk. And again, these all coordinate. So I put them together purposely because the background and the colors and the blacks were all the same. And then this is a viscose, 100% viscose. Isn't that beautiful? So one of the trends that's really big is black and pink. So that's why I kind of put them together. This has stretch in one direction, good stretch in one direction, 100% viscose. Got a little bit of a sheen to it, if you can see that. It's really pretty, very, very pretty. And it just sort of was a perfect coordinate. It came in with this. So I put this with it. This is 100% cotton, beautiful texture. Isn't that pretty? Again, $19.99. My goodness gracious. They're just so pretty together. And I can see that, maybe with a black slack, black trim. Very pretty. And I put this in as a coordinate just because it matches so well. It has all the color of pinks in here. So it would go with lots of different things. This is 100% viscose. It's a woven. And it is lovely. Great drape in this fabric. So for Monday, happy sewing. $19.99 today and tomorrow. Happy sewing.